how to do a proper modified push-up for beginners to intermediate to build strength and to tone up their upper body and stay injury free. Yoga mat, always have your hands outside the yoga mat. That will enable you to lower your chest all the way down to the floor, which is a mandatory, and then lock yourself all the way up, meaning raise yourself up. Second, keep your belly button engaged and pulled in at all times. Third, breathing pattern. Inhale as you go down. Exhale as you go up. Watch the tutorial. Legs crossed, belly button in, hands outside the mat, shoulder blades in. The muscles worked are chest, arms, shoulders, and core. Recommendation, 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps for beginners to intermediate with perfect form. 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps for beginners to intermediate with perfect form. Good luck.